Hi, my name's Alex. I'm with Brotherly Love Real Estate, and if you've ever thought that I need to sell my house fast in San Diego, you've come to the right place. Brotherly Love Real Estate is a local home buyer. We're based here in San Diego, and we buy houses as is for cash, 21-day close. It's basically as easy as it gets. You can sell your house as is to us. I'm in a project right now that I want to walk you guys through. It's on 39th Street between City Heights and Normal Heights in San Diego. And as you can tell, there is some work to be done. Ceiling has some damage likely caused by a leak in the roof. Floor panels missing in the living room area. Kitchen needs a total renovation. One of the main reasons that homeowners sell their properties to us is simply that. We buy them as is. We don't require you to fix anything, clean anything, repair anything. You can sell it completely as it stands to us. Our offers are in cash, so they're typically pretty quick. There's no bank or middleman involved. And our average is around 21 days to close, depending on some other details and how fast everyone can get their ducks in a row. But overall, the process is really easy. We buy houses all throughout the city of San Diego and the county. So if you know of anyone or if you have a house yourself that you want to sell, please give us a call or fill out our website form. Again, we buy houses in any condition. They could be single family, duplex, triplex. We're open to most types of properties. We also buy land depending on the area. So definitely give us a call and reach out if you need to sell your house in San Diego. We look forward to chatting with you. Thanks.